Good morning, children. Today we can start our new lesson. What is the name of the new lesson, children? Tick, tick, tick. Isn't it? You know what is the sound of that, children? That is the sound of a clock, isn't it? Every day you are hearing that sound, isn't it? Tick, 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 tick. Isn't it? That is the time sound of the clock. And what is the use of this clock, children? What is the purpose of this clock? The use of this clock is to know the time, isn't it? To know the time, we are using the clock, and we are using this watch also. We are using to know the time, isn't it? From this clock, you can know, you can understand what is the time now, and what is you can understand the lunch time, breakfast time, and what is the time you want to go to this school. That also you can know, isn't it? Then look here, children, I already given here one figure of the clock, and you can see the time also. What is the time now, children? What is the time in this clock now? You can see this one is the 3 o'clock, isn't it? This is the 3 o'clock, and you can see what you can see in the clock, children. You can see two hands, mainly two hands you can see the, isn't it? What are the two hands? So one is the small hand, one small hand and one big hand you can see here. Two hands for this clock. The two hands. One is small hand, mainly two hands. This small hand is our hand. That is our hand. Our hand, that is H-O-U-R, H is silent. Our hand. And this one is the minute hand. This one is this bigger one is the minute hand. One is small one, that is our hand, and second one, that is minute hands. And one more you can see in that clock. What is that, children? Yes, you can see like this. One more you can see, that is second hand. That is second hand. So mainly three you can see here. Look here. This one is a clock. In this clock, from this clock you can see here one small hand and one big hand. And in addition to that, you can see one more hand that is moving. Children, look here. This one is moving. This moving hand is second hand. This moving hand is second hand. And you can see that two hands is on here, isn't it? 1-5. What is the time now? 1-5. That small hand and big hand, that is on 1. That means 1 after 1 or 5 minutes after 1 o'clock. So 1-5. Look here. And this one, when this and this second hand is when starting from here, we can wait some. Yes, look here. That reach 9, 10. Yes, okay. From 12 starting, we can look from the. Yes. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That 60 means if this second hand is moving from 12 to 12, that means 60 seconds. That 60 seconds, this second hand is moving from 12 to 12 means that is 60 seconds. That 60 seconds means, this 60 seconds means 1 minute. That 60 seconds means that is 1 minute. Yes, look here, 60 seconds. That 60 seconds means that is 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. And look here, this one So from here to here 60 seconds, then 1 minute, again 60 seconds, that is 2 minutes, again 60 seconds, that is 3 minutes. Likewise up to here 1 means 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes. And again this one is, yes, look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Let you look here. Then likewise here from 12 to 1 means that is 5 minutes. And 5 to 1 to 2 means that is 10 minutes. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 20, 30 minutes, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 minutes. 60 minutes means that is 1 hour. If this when from 1 o'clock to this minute hand is going up to from 12 to this 12 means that is next 2 o'clock. That means 60 minutes. 60 minutes means that is 1 hour. 60 minutes means that is 1 hour. So if you can look here, so this one is the small hand, this one is the big hand, small hand is the hour hand, and this one is the minutes hand, and this one is the second hand. And if this now the time is 3 o'clock, isn't it? Now the time is 3 o'clock, and after this second hand is going up to 60 seconds, then 1 minute, and again 60 seconds, 2 minutes, again 60 seconds, 3 minutes, and again 4 minutes, again 60 minutes, that is 5 minutes. That is seconds, okay? Then 5 minutes, and this one is 10 minutes, 30, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25, 30 minutes, 35, 40, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, then 60 minutes. Then 60 minutes means that is 1 hour. So this 3 o'clock becomes 4 o'clock. This 3 o'clock means after 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, this 3 o'clock becomes 4 o'clock. That means 60 minutes is 1 hour and 60 seconds is 1 minute. Okay? 60 minutes is 1 hour and 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. Okay? Then next one is, yes, we can draw a rough sketch of the clock. And yes, look at children, this one is 2 hands and 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Look here. Then we want to know what is the time. 3:10. 3:10. How is doing that, children? 3:10 means you can draw. Small hand is on. This one is the hour. This one is the hour. 3. So 3 and 10 minutes. This one is the 5 minutes. This one is the 10 minutes. So long hand is here. 10 minutes. 3:10. This one is the 3:10. Or we can take it next one. 4:20. 4 hour, 4 o'clock and 20 minutes. After 20 minutes. So we can draw like this. 4, that is our hand, is hour. That is hour means 4 o'clock. So 4 and 4:20. 20 means 5, 10, 15, 20. So that big minute hand also here. 4:20. Or 5:30 or 2:30. We can take next one is 2:30. The time is 2:30. 2:30 means you can 2 means that is our hand. So small hand is like this 2 and 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this one is the 2:30. Time is 2:30. Likewise or 2:40. 2:40 means you can 30, 35, 40. So here 2:40. 2:40 means then this one also some more moving, and after 20 minutes that will be reach up to 3 o'clock, isn't it? And next one is 7:10. 7:10. How is doing like, children? Yes, 7:10 means this 7:10. Okay. Next one 7:10. So small hand is like this 7 and 10 means 5:10. Okay. Then 7:10. Okay. Did you understand, children? Then next one is 7:10. Okay. Next one, look here, two clocks here. Is 1, 2. Is yes, okay. Here the time is 1:30. The time is 2:30. Okay. The time is 2:30 now, and here the time is here time is 2:30. Time is 2:30. Then now the time is 2:45. Look here. Here the time is 2:30 and here the time is 2:45. 2:45. Then what is the distance or how much time taken to reach here? How much time or how many minutes take from here to here? There's here the 2:30. The time is 2:30 and here the time is 2:45. Then how many minutes or how much time taken from this 2:30 to 2:45? Then you can understand here 6 means that is 30 and 35, 40, 45, isn't it? 35, 30, 35, 40, 45. That means from here to here to here 5 minutes and here 10 minutes and here 15 minutes. And 15 minutes taken from 2:30 to 2:45. 2:30 to 2:45. The time taken is 15 minutes. Okay. And if this one is 2:55. Look here. This one is 2:55. Look here. The time is now 2:55. Then this small hand becomes near to 3. That is near to 3. And now the time is 2:55. Because this time 2 o'clock, then 55 minutes over. So this small hand also moving. So that is after 5 minutes that will be 3 o'clock. So that small hand also moving. Okay. Then now here the time is 2:30 and here the time is 2:55. Then how much time taken from here to this time? Then here 2:30 and here 2:55. That means yes, 5 minutes up to here 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, then 25 minutes. What is the distance that is from here to here? That is here 2:30, here 2:55. That means 25 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. Okay, children. Did you understand how is finding that, children? That here also, that is already shown here. That is here. Who is right? Time already given here. And some Chiku, Bitu and Pinky reading that time. Which one is the correct one? That you have to put a tick mark. First one. Here you can see small hand is in 3 o'clock and long hand is 12. That is the time 3. But Chiku is reading 12:03 and Bitu is reading 12:15 and Pinky is reading 3 o'clock. Then what is the time, correct time, children? That is 3, isn't it? So you have to read that 3 o'clock, put a tick mark that, and you have to find out this one also, that you have to take it as homework. And next to show the following times in the clock. You want to draw it 2 hands for that. 3:10. 3:10. Then 3:10 means you have to draw hands like this. 3:10 means small hand is 3 and 5:10. Then minutes hand is up to 2. Okay, 3:10. And what is next one? 6:40. 6:40 means you have to draw like this. 6:40. 6:40 means hour is 6, isn't it? So small hand is 6 and 40 means 30, 35, 45, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So you can draw like this. Then now the time is 6:40. Okay, children. So you can take it this also. You can take it as homework. And you have to draw small hand and hands of the clock. You have to draw it, children. Okay. And here find out that I already told. Find out how long will it take the minute hand to move from. How long will it take how many minutes take it from here? That 2 clocks already given the and 2 times already given here. Here 3:35 given here. The time is 3:35, and here you can see 3:50. 3:50 means how many minutes taken from here to 35 to 50? 15 minutes. Okay. Likewise also you have to do it this also. Okay children. Then we can take it next class children. Okay. Bye children. Bye.